Alright, I've been waiting for this day since I got the Spec B. I was able to get my hands on a used exhaust, but at least it's a Magnaflow, so it seems like it'll probably sound pretty good, I'm thinking. I'm not gonna walk through the whole install because there's a ton of videos installing this, not this exhaust, but installing. It's pretty straightforward too, it's an exhaust. One thing, if you are putting a 3-inch exhaust on your car and it has a stock downpipe, you're gonna need this. It's one thing I forgot about. I had this exhaust for like, almost a week at this point, but I forgot I had to get this, which is a little adapter. You put your donut gasket on this side and then it bolts up to the exhaust on that side. So there's that. But today we're gonna make the car loud. Been excited. I'm pumped. I'll probably put it on the time lapse. Alright, we finally got it off. It's been about like 45 minutes, 50 minutes. Rusted bolts with Loctite, but we got it off. It should be a lot quicker because that's why I'm happy I got an exhaust with these clamps, because these won't be as bad, I hope. So we got it done. Maybe I'll clean them up a little bit. I was gonna start it open downpipe, but I live in a neighborhood where that's frowned upon, unfortunately. All I gotta do is tighten bad boy down, and then that should be it. And I'll be ready to start it.
Kevin, hit the gas.
It sounds like a vacuum cleaner.
Did you hit the gas?
Yeah, I gave it some. I gave it a little. Alright, so I got a couple sound clips over by the school over there. Listening to it from my camera doesn't sound too impressive, but hopefully when I go back and edit it, it sounds better on my speakers, my actual speakers. But I mean, it is a considerable amount louder. It's definitely a lot better than it is stock, for sure. If you're watching, thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit like, comment. If you already subscribed, hit the bell. You already know what to do. But if not, that's it for today.